How to find connections settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find connections settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and here you will find story. Now just not story, this one. Here you will find connections, and here you can manage account privacy or restricted accounts or anything you want to manage. Here you can manage it and just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.